What if I told you there's a way to save $10,000 in record time? Sounds too good to be true. Well, it's not. With a few simple strategies and a bit of discipline, you could be on your way to a healthier bank account in no time. So are you ready to learn how to save $10,000 fast? Welcome to the Finance Bowl, where we give simple money and investing tips. In the United States, many Americans struggle to maintain a healthy financial state due to various reasons such as low income, high expenses, debt, and unexpected emergencies. According to a survey conducted by Bankrate, only 41% of Americans are able to cover a $1,000 emergency expense from their savings. Additionally, the Federal Reserve reported that the average American household carries around $8,000 in credit card debt. However, it is possible to turn things around and start saving money by following some simple steps. In fact, with the right strategies and mindset, it's possible to save $10,000 in 1 year. In this video, we will share some tips and tricks that will help you save $10,000 in 1 year. Step 1. Write down your goal. Setting a goal is a crucial first step to achieving success in any aspect of life, including financial savings. Without a clear and specific goal in mind, it can be challenging to make meaningful progress towards savings. That's why the first step to saving $10,000 in 1 year is to write down your goal. Writing down your goal is essential because it makes it more tangible and helps clarify exactly what you want to achieve. In fact, studies have shown that people who write down their goals are much more likely to achieve them than those who don't. According to a study conducted by psychologist Gail Matthews, people who wrote down their goals were 42% more likely to achieve them than those who didn't write them down. To get started, it's essential to determine your reasons for saving $10,000. Perhaps you're saving for a down payment on a house or to pay off debt. Whatever your reason may be, it's important to identify it and write it down. This will serve as a reminder of why you're working towards this goal and will help you stay motivated. Once you've written down your goal, it's a good idea to put reminders of it around your home. This can be in the form of temporary tattoos or sticky notes. For example, you could write your goal on a sticky note and put it on your bathroom mirror or on your computer monitor. These reminders will keep your goal top of mind and help you stay focused on achieving it. Step 2. Choose a savings account. Once you have set a goal and written it down, the next step is to choose a savings account to keep the money in once you have saved it. Saving money is a great habit to develop, but it is equally important to keep your savings in a safe place where it can earn interest and grow over time. When choosing a savings account, it is important to consider the interest rate offered by the bank. Some banks offer higher interest rates than others, and it is worth doing some research to find the best option for you. A high-interest savings account is a great option to consider, as it allows your money to earn interest at a higher rate than a standard savings account. Another option to consider is investing in the stock market. There are many apps available that can make investing in the stock market accessible and easy. Some popular apps include Yada and Webull. However, it is important to do your research and understand the risks involved with investing in the stock market. If you decide to invest in the stock market, it is a good idea to choose an index fund, which is a type of mutual fund that tracks a specific market index. This can provide a diverse investment portfolio and minimize risks associated with investing in individual stocks. It is important to remember that the choice of savings account or investment option is a personal one, and it is essential to consider your own financial situation and goals when making a decision. By choosing a savings account or an investment option that works best for you, you can maximize your savings potential and achieve your financial goals. Step 3. Start a side hustle. One of the best ways to save an additional $10,000 in a year is by taking on a side hustle. A side hustle is a way to earn extra money outside of your main source of income. It's an excellent way to supplement your income and build up your savings account. You could start a YouTube channel as a side hustle, but there are numerous side hustles that you can consider to make extra money. One option is selling items online, such as on eBay, Amazon, or Facebook Marketplace. This is an excellent way to declutter your home while also earning some extra cash. You can sell anything from clothes to electronics to furniture. Another option is freelancing. If you have a skill or talent, you can offer your services on websites such as Upwork or Fiverr. These platforms offer a wide variety of freelance opportunities, such as writing, graphic design, social media management, and more. If you're interested in other ways to earn extra money, you can also consider taking on a part-time job. Many companies offer part-time positions with flexible hours, which can be perfect for those looking to earn extra money while still maintaining their full-time job. It's essential to find a side hustle that works for you and stick to it. Don't try to take on too many side hustles at once, as it can be overwhelming and lead to burnout. Instead, choose one or two side hustles that align with your skills and interests, and focus on building them up. It's also important to remember that building a successful side hustle takes time and effort. You may not see results right away, but don't get discouraged. Keep at it, and you will eventually see the fruits of your labor. Step 4. Cut unnecessary expenses. One of the easiest ways to save money is by cutting back on unnecessary expenses. Many people spend money on things they don't really need, which can add up quickly and eat into their savings goals. It's important to evaluate your expenses and determine which ones are necessary, and which ones can be cut back or eliminated. Some common examples of unnecessary expenses include eating out frequently, subscription services for things you don't use or need, and impulse purchases. To start cutting back on expenses, take a close look at your monthly bills and statements. Determine which expenses are necessary, such as rent or mortgage payments, utilities, and insurance, and which ones can be cut back. For example, you could cancel subscription services that you don't use, buy generic brands at the grocery store, or shop for deals and use coupons. Another way to save money is to make small changes in your lifestyle. For example, you could eat out less often and cook meals at home, which can be much cheaper and healthier. You could also reduce your transportation costs by carpooling, using public transportation or walking or biking instead of driving. Remember, every little bit counts when it comes to saving money. Cutting back on small expenses can add up over time and help you reach your $10,000 savings goal faster. Step 5. Make saving a habit. Saving money can be challenging, especially if it's not a regular habit. However, making saving a habit is essential for achieving any financial goal. Here are some tips to make saving a habit. Number 1. Set up automatic transfers. One of the easiest ways to make saving a habit is to automate it. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account. This way, you won't have to remember to transfer money manually. Number 2. Track your progress. Tracking your progress can be motivating. Keep a record of how much you've saved each week or month. You can use an app, a spreadsheet, or a simple pen and paper. Number 3. Make it a routine. Make saving a part of your daily routine. For example, every time you receive a paycheck, transfer a portion of it to your savings account. This way, it becomes a habit, and you won't have to think about it too much. Number 4. Start small. If you're new to saving, start small. Set a goal to save a certain amount each week or month, and gradually increase it over time. Starting small makes it less overwhelming and more achievable. Number 5. Stay motivated. Saving money can be challenging, but staying motivated can help. Remind yourself of the reasons why you're saving and the goals you want to achieve. You can also find a savings buddy to keep each other accountable and motivated. Making saving a habit takes time and effort, but it's worth it. Setting up automatic transfers, tracking progress, making it a routine, starting small, and staying motivated are some of the best ways to make saving a habit. With time and consistency, saving money can become second nature, and achieving financial goals can be much easier. In conclusion, saving $10,000 in 1 year is achievable with some simple steps. We have discussed the 5 steps to help you reach this goal, which includes writing down your goal, choosing a savings account, using a side hustle, cutting unnecessary expenses, and making saving a habit. Remember that it's important to determine your own reasons for saving. Find a side hustle that works for you, and make saving a part of your daily routine. With dedication and commitment, you can successfully save $10,000 in 1 year. Don't wait any longer. Start taking action today towards your financial goals. Good luck! Thank you for watching the video. If you liked the video, please subscribe to the Finance Bowl. Until next time.